What up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Al, right back at you with another tutorial. In this tutorial, what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be doing a comb over styling. This is a video that's going to help you guys out in the morning when you guys are getting ready for work, school, or helping out your kid. As you can see, my buddy here, Frankie, he has a bit of unmanageable straight hair. So what we got to do in order to get it to go to the side and stay over is that we need to create some volume and blow dry it. And the way we do that is we use a roller brush. Roller brush and a little bit of product. The product that we use on him is Suavecito Grooming Spray, which is a hair setter. And what the hair setter does is that when we blow dry the hair, what we're doing is we're pushing it in the direction that we want it to sit. So of course what we're doing is we're blow drying and rolling our brush. And why it's called a roller brush? This is exactly why, as you can see in the video right here. What I'm doing is I'm putting it on the hair, and as I put it on there, what I do is I just roll it, and when I roll it, I follow it with a little bit of hot air. As you guys can tell, the hair is pretty damp, so with a Suavecito Grooming Spray that we applied to it and the water that was already on, the dampness is already on there, so we got to get that all down completely dry. For those of you guys that don't know, when you guys use pomade for this type of haircut, it's always better to apply it when the hair is dry. If you apply a water-based pomade on wet hair, it is just going to absorb it and it's not going to do anything for it. So the best way to use your pomade is to use it when the hair is completely dry. And that's what we're doing here. And on the other side, we're not really rolling it on the left side. We're just more rolling it on the right side, going towards the left, because that's where we want to get our lift and get our nice flip on our comb over. As you guys can tell right there in the front, you see how I kind of put the brush on it and then roll it up. And as I'm rolling it up, I'm letting it hit the hot air, hit the brush. The brush, if you guys notice, has little circles through it, little vents. So when the hot air, it shoots through the brush and out the other end, allowing the hot air to travel through the brush and dry it that much faster. Right here, we're pretty much done with the blower drying, guys, as you guys can tell. So for this next part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my pomade. And the pomade that I'm using for this certain haircut is Tip Top pomade. I like Tip Top because Tip Top goes on your hands very smoothly and very easily, and it's easy to apply. On the back, I really press it down because on the back, you want it flat. On the front, you don't want to press it down too much. You kind of want to just apply it as a topping over the top, and maybe a little bit run your fingers through it, but not flattening it down. You don't want to flatten it down while you just finish lifting up. So right here now, I grab my comb, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb it from the right to the left. As you can see it in the back, like I told you in the back, on the back, you want it flat. You want it to lay down nice and flat. When you get to the front, you don't want it to lay back. You want to kind of lift your comb and lift it up. As you see, I'm lifting up and over. Get a nice scoop. That's where you get your nice comb over, is having a nice scoop in the front. By blow drying it, guys, what we added was volume. What volume means that you're lifting the hair up and you're giving it an appearance of being very full and high. Now my buddy here, he has very thick hair, so of course his hair is going to be high anyway. Just apply a little bit of gel on the back, guys, and flatten it out, and that's about it, guys. This is a quick tutorial that we just did right now on how to style yourself, your kids, or anybody's hair early in the morning, early in the evening, or late at night. It doesn't matter. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. It's all good, guys. Leave me a comment and I'll respond as soon as I can. You guys have a good one. Thank you.